Have you ever imagined living on Mars? A place where the crimson landscapes stretch out in infinite expanses under a pinkish sky? Sounds like a page out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Well, this could become a reality if scientists can successfully transform the uninviting terrains of Mars into a habitable environment for humans. The first step in this process would be to tackle Mars's thin atmosphere. We'd need to thicken it up, give it some substance. One proposition is to release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, into the Martian atmosphere. This would trap heat, warming up the otherwise frigid planet. But what about water? Mars is as parched as the driest desert on Earth. Scientists suggest the answer lies in Mars' polar ice caps. By melting this ice, we could create a source of liquid water. This precious resource could then be used to cultivate plant life, an endeavor akin to what we do right here on Earth. Not only do plants provide a cooling effect, but they also generate oxygen, a vital ingredient for human survival. This brings us to the matter of oxygen, or rather, the lack thereof in Mars' atmosphere. To rectify this, scientists propose the use of plants or specially designed machines to produce oxygen. This would create a breathable environment for those brave enough to call Mars home. Now, Mars has another problem. It lacks a magnetic field, which means it's continually pelted by harmful solar radiation. Scientists have come up with two potential solutions. The first involves constructing gigantic magnetic shields. The second, creating subterranean habitats, both aimed at providing protection from the harmful solar radiation. Lastly, we must address Mars's weaker gravitational pull. Living in such conditions could have detrimental effects on our health. To counteract this, scientists are investigating methods to simulate Earth-like gravity. One idea is to construct massive structures that spin, thereby creating artificial gravity. So, to summarize, the process of making Mars habitable includes warming up the planet, providing a water source, generating oxygen, shielding inhabitants from solar radiation, and simulating gravity. It's a tall order, but if achieved, it would be akin to giving a complete makeover to an entire planet. We could transform our cold, dusty neighbor into a potential second home for humanity. A daunting task, but a tantalizing prospect, don't you think?